Welcome to our world of upcycled design. We're thrilled to have you here as we showcase the transformation of reclaimed wood and metal waste into breathtaking handcrafted home decor and furniture. Each piece in our collection reflects our commitment to sustainability and craftsmanship, turning forgotten materials into beautiful, functional art. With every creation, we celebrate the unique stories and textures that these materials bring, enriching your space with character and warmth. As we conclude this video, we encourage you to join us in championing sustainable choices in design. If our work resonated with you, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this journey with those who appreciate the beauty of upcycled pieces. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to sharing more inspiration with you. The world today faces significant challenges in waste management and environmental sustainability. As we navigate these issues, the potential of reclaimed wood and metal waste has emerged as a powerful solution. By transforming discarded materials into stunning handcrafted home decor and furniture, we not only preserve our planet's resources, but also create unique pieces that enhance our living environments. This journey of transformation and revival speaks to a deeper commitment to sustainability while embracing the beauty of imperfection. Reclaimed wood tells a rich story through its textures, grains, and colors. Each plank has a history, whether sourced from old barns, forgotten furniture, or industrial structures, giving a character that new materials often lack. In our craftsmanship, we honor this history by carefully selecting pieces that highlight these unique features. The result is not just furniture, but rather conversation starters that invite curiosity and appreciation for the past. Metal also possesses a similar charm. When salvaged from construction sites, old machinery, or discarded objects, reclaimed metal transforms into striking accents that add an industrial flair to any space. The raw, rugged beauty of these materials brings a sense of authenticity to our designs, reminding us of their origins while infusing contemporary aesthetics into our homes. Hand craftsmanship plays a pivotal role in this transformation. Every item we create is crafted by skilled artisans who are passionate about their work. This meticulous process ensures that each piece is not only functional, but also a work of art. Our craftsmen carefully shape, join, and finish each element, allowing the natural beauty of the materials to shine through. This dedication to detail results in high-quality products that stand the test of time. Moreover, the process of upcycling contributes significantly to reducing waste. In a world that produces billions of tons of waste annually, embracing reclaimed materials is a step toward responsible consumption. By revitalizing wood and metal that might otherwise be discarded, we are promoting a cycle of regeneration and giving new life to forgotten resources. This is not just about aesthetics. It's about fostering an eco-conscious mindset that values sustainability. Designing with reclaimed materials also allows for endless creative possibilities. The inherent uniqueness of each piece inspires innovative and unconventional designs. Whether it's a rustic coffee table made from weathered barn wood or an elegant lamp crafted from salvaged pipe, the combinations are limitless. Our collection reflects this diversity, offering something for everyone, whether you prefer minimalist, industrial, or bohemian styles. In addition to being eco-friendly, our handcrafted items contribute to a healthier living environment. Unlike mass-produced furniture that may contain harmful chemicals or synthetic materials, our creations are made from authentic, natural resources. This ensures that your home remains a safe haven, free from pollutants commonly found in conventional products. By choosing upcycled pieces, you're not just enhancing your space, you're also making a healthier choice for your family. We also take pride in the transparency of our sourcing and production processes. We believe in sharing the stories behind each piece, allowing customers to connect emotionally with their furniture and decor. This transparency fosters trust and encourages a more meaningful relationship between consumers and makers, fostering a community of conscious consumers who appreciate the value of sustainability. As you explore our collection, it's essential to recognize the role of education in promoting sustainable practices. We are dedicated to inspiring our customers to adopt eco-friendly choices in their homes and lives. By showcasing the beauty and functionality of reclaimed materials, we hope to ignite a passion for upcycling and conscious consumption that extends far beyond our products. Our mission is to create a ripple effect, encouraging others to consider the possibilities of transformation in their homes. Imagine the impact we could have if each person chose to incorporate even one piece of upcycled furniture into their living spaces. By celebrating and embracing these materials, we can spark a shift in how society views waste and consumption. In conclusion, the process of transforming and reviving reclaimed wood and metal waste into stunning handcrafted home decor and furniture is more than a trend. It's a movement towards sustainability and creativity. Each piece not only serves a purpose, but also tells a story, reminding us of the beauty that can emerge from what was once considered trash. As we continue this journey, we invite you to join us in celebrating the art of sustainable living and the exceptional quality of upcycled creations. Thank you for accompanying us on this exploration of artistry and responsibility. By choosing to support handcrafted designs made from reclaimed materials, you are making a statement about your values and your desire for a more sustainable future. Together, let's transform the ordinary into extraordinary treasures while nurturing our planet.